Ngumbau Situ.
Musesiani na ukethiana na uthocha ingi thini wa kilungu cha Ngumbau Situ otondu na kwathite na nundu chathi ni ndivi muthanani wa umuthi nitukwitha nake munini wa governor wa county ya Makueni vala chuma kitheli twavikie na kumana yulu wa ukumbau wake kwewa kwake undu wa iwe undu wasomie na maundu ala withite ayika na indi ni yathika isa kana muthenya ula wa kumana ukumbau wake ngalikoni ya uteti na kukitia aki cia andu kana aki muno cia aka na ciana nini na indi itukwitha timana mibango ila winayo nthini wa uteti nani musiaisia nina uthocha tutambanie mwengi na mwiso wa kilungu kitu muthenani wa umuthi. Tikalipo ingi ukethie musiaisia.
Asante. Ekangu kethie musiaisia wa Mutongoi. Mutongoi TV. Mutongoi TV. Na ndikuyo mundi twe kilungu ni cha Keli.
Asante. Na indi mam nitwavikiana umanondu wa iwe undu wasomie maundu ala wekite na ukumbau waku mwingi andu mawese na uteti na kutetea haki cia enendi. Nenda tuambe yo baba kubi. Wamania hata kana waambia hata maundu ma uteti.
Kwitha nathukuma in development work. Na muno kwitha nathukuma nandu. Kusisia mathina mo na muno kisomo cha maendeleo. Kiuni chambie unenge mo kulio maingi ma kukulia kusisia policies kusisia mea na nina utabia kana nina utabisela ingi kana na umwe wa alama ukitia katiba katwe na ko na umwe wambie organization yetu wa Coalition on Violence Against Women ni Zimbabwe na program officer wa East Africa. Kwa uwe yani naambia kona yes nitukula ni makulio asu paandi lakini pe policies ibe meao ya ile kusiwa pe budgets ya ilo siwa nikendoke vya makulio maitu maingine mekata pe makoti maile kukulwa makulio wive makulio maitu ni maingine mekata ni masungiwa kwa ibusoje na ikwatie ndithukuma na Honorable Charity Kaluki Wangilu na Honorable Charity Kaluki Wangilu is my mentor.
Nene gwe bandu wangi waweta.
Yes, she is my mentor na that year. Nundu nalikile utetini wake tuibanga kibila chake cha 1997 na muka sao mwetu ikomana na nyang'nyo ikomana na movisini make tukokoma na tuvange kumutethesia atwike president wa ndino. That's how I got to kwithia kai kabe kibetike kuungama
ona kuno ungame
ona kwano ni ungame kwa in the process ya kumutethesia na decide around June na kwandie tisia Kaluki kibila
na kuno kwetia
ni ngwetia na nalika kwetia kibila cha Kaiti na honestly kibila cha Kaiti cha ichakwa lakini vinda yukanu
yatambwa mundu muka
naume nange biwati in the Nandi parliament yambitie wewe ndio naitwa Adelina wewe tulikuangusha tu tuli
nandi wewe hata kwiu
I felt very bad na musikali ungi wa inspector you paukitu kilome sie ukomana na kwa ingiambia kula sia ni wawa sindeta and for sure ya naimwaki kaitika
naimwaki
lakini binda you again tukitia katiba ka mpya ibe to know you twika sia ndie bejini sia nda sia kuwa hairdresser as if it is not important kwitha waziri akuite address nge president ndaona ndumake mawenda umutege yui ni batu ikani wakuite address watu wa issue na tuitwika tuendie kuyange waya kuka kukita ume that is not the issue kwa nyena alikile siasa nebinda yu na kangu tabie I enjoyed politics that time this is ngilo kibila I loved it I really loved it nangilo demystify myths nyingi pyu kidi awana
sia
yuluaka andu majina mawadhi kitui kiuke yinwa ngilo twibata na ku lakini tuju nitukuye mubuto kekia no tukuye lakini tuikuya beards
kinge
tuikuya kinge which means yani kutrivialize kibeti yani nundu ndwe kinge yani ndukilia maumao yani ndukilia maumao ngali yengi yani sindu sia muthembosu lakini a change perception and I want to thank her very much nundu ni wa ibinda yu na ya ibinda yumu nile ibinda twanena guka kulia wina wa winene ya ibinda yumu ekangutabye ndwa yunene amoi lakini atunenge binya wa unene amoi moi ni mukuwe nuke Charity Wangilu as moi ni muku as moi ni mukuwe nuke moi mukuenuke moi ni mukuenuke Charity Wangilu asumbeke nitinda nikulia yeah something like that where they have but mbinge muno of self support charity and ni wana asia charity charity CK tumwita CK niwe has been the person in this country that has demystified siasa sia akana aile kuone tamutongo ya na ukambani actually nye no we mutongo ula wakwa ndo nyakungama nake ngasia uni mutongo ni Charity Kaluki Wangilu the other day Friday na mkule say ame kwete ibila say
we makwetia niki
you are more credible you are actually more credible than most of the men that are vying for that yeah ko siasa sia kwa sambe yeba na nye ndiasio kanetina na no Charity Kaluki 97 nale akosa kibela na leo nominatewa 202 ndiaite kibela lakini CK nilio musimu the nyomwe ambeta ni mwita CK Charity Kaluki CK ambeta nguli Adelina nukwenda nominate wanamwe ambia oni tukomania parliament ukwita kibandi chaku na CV yaku na uimanya na voters card na make sure
ni wakwata we
atana the German nundu nilikana aenda German we also twathi kwa electoral commission I make sure ni watie sitwa yakwa leka yandika I want to thank you Charity.
Thank you naende nitukwisa kumwete kilunguni kicha Ngumbau Situ naende ni maundu meva wekie ila wai nominated MP
ila na nominated MP be sindu sia mete muno piu kilungu na niendo remind ya ndo maka itikana kasila ka emete ka 2 kilometers kuma nungune kubika kikoko ninye nako kitiye ebinda ya yitu na Kibaki sitima wa kitoka stambe wa Precious Blood na thome and school na Kalongo na Kikoko market na nungune market ukethia yistima ni Adelina ndeto wa moi weki hata watie kewo kenyu cha nyusa wa Kalongo cha nyusa wa Kikoko through Katuku ninye na Kimambie kwa I can say I can walk with my shoulders high kanebinda you na of course number tie sitwa ya ka where the emotions sia kwa sio ndailangu kulia sia ni sia reproductive health nundu ina utabya ba yambe nina documented makulio mata akula ma sanitary towels twambe yo makulia twina njo kindungu toka na mweo wa Sexual Offences Act wa 2006 whether ni twambia kukulia makulio parliament mata akula of course afibia sio ni makula sia gender mainstreaming na the affirmative action lakini toka kuendesio mwaki twambia okula nia nundu ibina yutu ai parliament for the good government of men yani parliament very big words very in glaring daylight kana inoni nyumba ya ume nyumba no ndukana na handbag uka we ni
nduka wikire skirt
cho no ile nundu mayesa kwisilia kana ni wesa kuka andu muka akainge kwa twambio kule makule aso and things are changing. We have now 47 women. We have several other women on constituency elected. We have in the Senate women. We have I have a deputy governor nye kibila kija cho deputy governor ndiye etasia kibila cha Kaiti na tondu nitwethi twemwe kukitani kwa katiba keu na twathukумite mwe na kibila kibwana in parliament ya kata 9th parliament na nitwesene ta ana harakati makukitia haki cia chau cia mwene twambio okunenanya ngamusuggest ya governor professor why don't you get a woman as you are. I never thought I will be the woman na encourage ya nunu nyena very very rooted in Kaiti nene sikivila chini ngukwata nundu ndambu kinakendeta sio senator kwa uni na esini ngukikwata na nyena kitao mu advice ndimwea find a woman if it's possible, find a woman na where ahidi went around looking for women na pesa kwa mundu na yune ile ne soko ni wasimu ni ama mutede siasa mangulia would you like to be the deputy governor of ni na mukulia na yu andu makwa ni meata what shall I tell my people nundu nimekwenda no sikivile cha Kaiti so what do I tell mambe don't worry about that nitukuka tumba ni andu Kaiti atongo ima Kaiti tumaeleze kiti na kwa nina somete katiba ngamanya nye ndikwenda utwika a woman rep nundu ninonete ngasisia ngevia you could actually be a flower girl in parliament na niwo I don't know kwa kaisa vei mukule ni betisiana inenete bungesu ya senate ingona mainena mwe lakini na ningono mungi ya there are women that are actually vocal but you can actually nundu inevi twe mbunge ngamanya matwiti aka na si Adelina keuko dikitikila lakini kicho deputy governor no sakadiba na soma na sisiane there is power here and since I was looking for power and power to support our people maybe I can etikile na netikila lakini nduka kivilani utena resources na kulwa Adelina winangalisiana winambesa siana and that's what I had to look for money I had to take a loan so that I get in here lakini naonoka with the also we were a lot of deputy governors
na magavana mo
nundu you are not bringing anything on the table no kana manya there are things nundu nevi 20 thukuma makueni na violence against women organization yitawa Women Resource Center na trainia advocates ma community based advocates ma kukitia haki siaka na siaume na siasiana kwa uwe there I have trained several people throughout this county kwa uwe I can call Kitise I can call Makindu I can call Kilungu I can bring them together kwa una manya kindu kini chongu kakuendesya na kachau bunge ninevitwe ni very keen about looking at the budget and how it benefits men and women ninevitwe ni keen kukulia makulio how is this project benefiting men and women, how are women participating in development, how are they getting into committees, our project management committees, how many women are there, how many men are there, people with disability, how many. So I knew there is something I'm bringing on the table. And although there was resistance at the beginning, 2013, nundu makulwa sima makula woke vya andu ni jitari. Na ni asia governor no way we are jitari. Too bad. Lakini today we are, and lakini nduko na nake is a human right activist. Kwa uwe vya pepa andu tukwatania.
Uko na muikomania.
Pe values to share. Pe sindu tuansia notu. Pe do's tuansia do this and ave don'ts. Pe sindu tu announce na ve sindu tu denounce So that way we were able to meet. Na ni queer I have never walked into governor's boardroom, kana governor's office, nae nandu, akaambia DG ambako etena, not at all. Nundu ndekindu wiki ya abaungua mesa, sionde ile mesani. Na kwa sionde nidhani lile chao mesani. No wonder he is comfortable that I'm acting governor. I'm acting governor now is not there. Ona ni mkonsortia sindu ilanda sign. There are legal things that I can't sign. So that is the time when I consult him and I say you need to sign this and he signs.
Wow.
So I'm proud being the first deputy governor of Makueni County and working with Professor Kibwana but we have done this county good.
Sure.
We are number one in a lot of things. Public participation, universal health care, first in coming up with a mother and child, first in sexual and gender-based violence recovery center, a safe house. We are being fast.
Aya, naende ni muvea musiaisia nundu wa kuendea na utambanya na itu ndini wa kilungu cha Ngumbau Situ naende ni kwatia niwendeye na kusoma kindu na kumana mwakani ukite wa ngilili na meongweli na ile yo witha wisa kwa ndongo ibwa ata witha wisa kwa ndongo ili ata naende musiaisia kini cho kilungu kana yene yo isa ya kumana Ngumbau Situ ila ukumba uwo utethetie enendi no utethetie akamba maito kitu kwate utandithia tusiokethia omi tukinaende wenda utwatia no utwatie ndini wa Facebook ta Mutongoi TV, YouTube Mutongoi TV official, Instagram Mutongoi_TV naende wenda utumani mukuvi no utumendini wa namba ituja ili itetu kenda 15 na nukuitha wikwata maundwala tuitha tui kama Mutongoi TV iba mwe kilungu cha Ngumbau Situ kwa uyu eka itu kwate utandithia
Ngumbau Situ. Ngumbau Situ. Ngumbau Situ.